So the other day I went to the supermarket to buy cabbage, and half of the cabbage cost $542. Half. I was like, anyway, I said let me pick up some lettuce as well, and it was $561 for one head of lettuce. No, sir. Say the prices are really getting out of this world. Ridiculous, even. Before we continue though, remember to like the video, click the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and leave a comment to let us know your shopping experiences and where you prefer to shop, because what we're going to get into now is wholesale versus supermarket, which is where this lady comes in. Alright, you have the list ready? Not quite, right?
I'm working on it on my phone.
Okay. So for transcribe it after.
Let's hope not. Let's hope we can WhatsApp it or something, or I can WhatsApp it to you and you use it at the supermarket, and then we can WhatsApp it to the wholesale people and they can fill it.
I think we should write and leave it and then come back. What do you say?
Let's see what they accept. It's the day and age of technology,
right?
Right.
So we're going to go to our wholesale first. Drop off the list. Then probably pick up Leila and Zahra, and hopefully by the time we leave Leila and Zahra we can pick up by the list the items, something like that. And then we'll go supermarket later. You want what? Something to eat?
Some soup. I don't feel good. Okay. Some plain wonton soup or something.
1 ton or 2 ton? So we're going to get soup in the midst of this. But that's the deal today. Wholesale or supermarket, let me know where you do your main household shopping, because some have to change, you know. Prices are getting out of hand. So I think we're shopping for 2 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks this will last for.
So we're splitting our shopping bill in two, or our shopping list in two. Half of it will be supplied by a wholesale, half of it will be supplied by a supermarket. We're going to try to get the same brand, the same size, so we can compare the bottom line at the end of the shopping to see how much better it is.
So as much as possible, we're trying to specify the brand and the size that we want, so that it's a comparison of apples and apples. We're not endorsing any particular supermarket or wholesale though, just to be clear.
Right.
This is just an experiment.
Yeah, it's just a general comparison. Hi, afternoon. I have a list that I want to fill. I can WhatsApp it to you, or I have to bring it in?
Yes, you can.
I can?
Yes, you can.
Alright, brilliant. Alright, can you give me a number? How long it normally takes to get it filled? A half an hour, hour?
Sometime an hour, sometime an hour and a half.
Alright, so you know like what them say, not every lawyer is a lawyer. And not every chef is a chef. Not every wholesale have the same standard, isn't it? So they're actually, a lot of them are on the whole WhatsApp thing, which is great, but I got somebody who can give us in 30 minutes or less. So we're going to try that one, send it in. Going to collect the food now though for Tina, so she can feel more uppy, and then we can sort it out. It's a little longer than half an hour, so I'm here after work to finish my collection. The wholesale that we selected this time is in Port Henderson Plaza in Portmore, and it goes by the name Aunt Nellie's Wholesale and Retail. It used to be Aunt Jenny's, but it's now Aunt Nellie's. All I had to do was WhatsApp them our list. There was some back and forth with the difference in brands with what we want and what they had available. But after sorting that out, I was able to go in the store, pay for the goods, collect the goods, and walk out of there with all the items. Nice. So the wholesale, you don't get the clerks. Burger man, quiet. With the wholesale, you don't get the clerks or the guys to come and help you. But it's fine, I got exercise. I think there would have been a trolley man if if it was really enough, but it's not that bad.
Okay.
We're going to do this all over again at the supermarket. Remember, there will be no food wasting in this video. We're doing this same shopping again at the supermarket, and if you're new here, we have a big family of 7, so the food can even eat off in less than 2 weeks if you don't watch these children. Alright? So
Yeah, man, blame it on the children.
right, not me. Alright, time to go. So on the move again, and this time we got to Sovereign Village Plaza to the supermarket called Progressive Traders. Nice place. Go inside quick, take up items, grab the milk, then we'll grab some Lasco, then we'll grab a cereal, grab some Klim, grab some oil. You get the point. Reach the cashier and she's letting the price shoot up. We pay and we leave and we call it a day. Now to pack out. Only the 5 pounds of chicken and the cheese will stay in the fridge and not be packed out. And while I'm packing out, drop in the comments whether you think the wholesale came in cheaper or the supermarket came in cheaper. And you might be surprised at the end of the day. Drop it in the comments, you know. Hold on, I'm seriously waiting for you to put in the comments either wholesale or supermarket. I'm waiting, so go ahead and do it now while I finish packing out. Alright, now. As you can see here, and I'm going to point out everything is brand for brand and size for size. So Carl's vinegar, 2 Lasco, 2 Lasco. Bread, same size. Corn, Sophie, brand and everything. However, and of course, between last night and today, it starts eat out already because you have to eat for breakfast, right? So we just had to open stuff. I will point out, however, that there are, I think, 2 differences, but I try to get the similar size or a similar price to be fair. So the hand soap is a different brand from the hand soap over here, and the Nestum is split over here in 2, but this is jumbo and that is 2. Similar size, similar price, just to keep it fair. All right, so I have the receipts over here. I'll show you the prices. One is very long from the supermarket and one is shorter from the wholesale, but the same item. So the supermarket can probably cut back on the paper printing because this is saying the same thing as over here. Anyway, so are you ready? Coming in, so let me know again who you think is more. If you don't write it yet in the comments, type it now. Who do you think came out to cost more? The wholesale or the supermarket? Which one costs more? You might be surprised. So without any more delay, coming in at a whopping 14,175.50 is one place, and at 14,564.29 is another place. So the difference is not much. But the winner is the cheaper option for in this scenario is, drum rolls, the winner is wholesale. So the wholesale came in cheaper than the supermarket in this case, and it's cheaper by all of 3%. So the difference is just 3%. But we're going to unpack that and explain exactly what that means in terms of savings only after I eat some, put that together now. So we're going to do some mackerel. So I'm taking one of the supermarket mackerel, one of the wholesale mackerel. Some flash out time now. As we talk about breadfruit and eat breadfruit with the mackerel, listen, who remembers when I brought home this breadfruit tree from Sister John, and it's been looking this way. This stem looked very dead, and it was just in the bucket, just gathering, just taking up space. Other day Tina said she was going to take out the soil from it and use the soil, because there's a lot of soil in there. Use it to plant somewhere else, make soil for somewhere else to grow. And when she was digging it up, the root was actually very thick because it wasn't dead. And look what has started to grow. The breadfruit. This is, I don't want you to think that it's coming from anywhere else, you know. So I'm showing you exactly that it's coming from the actual stem, and it's now has its own branch with leaves. You know, this does look very breadfruity because we have a breadfruit over here. But I guess that's why it started out with this main one right here. Yeah, man, are the same thing. So, breadfruit tree was not dead.
Is this one growing?
Huh?
This one
This one is moringa, a moringa tree. This is the same one as one over here.
And that one is bigger.
Yeah, this one is a bigger moringa. Say hi to the neighbors. You didn't say hi. Say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Say hi, neighbors. Leila.
Hi, neighbors.
What are you afraid of?
Spiderweb.
Where?
There.
I don't see it. Oh, right here. And the little spidey is on it. Ah ha ha.
You wanna touch it?
No, don't touch it. But neighbors, that's the encouragement for the day. Sometimes you don't see the progress. You think things are lost and you're not moving, not progressing. But deep down, something changing. Deep down, something's happening. You may be praying about something and you don't see any results. But one day, when you think, you know, I'm not going to expect anything again, you see a sign of a branch shooting up and you see leaves. You see the sign of prosperity and things start to bear fruit. So that's the lesson for today. Now the same day something gets planted, it grows. And the same day something gets planted. Not the same time when you put in the investment and you put in the work again to see the results. But continue working. Alright? And again, this is why we have the things over here. So we have the breadfruit. Which other fruit we have? Lychee. Which other fruit? Guava. Lychee again. Because the idea is to be as sustainable as possible, have our fruits. So we have to buy so many things. We can be picking fruits off a tree when they go down to where we live in Clarendon. To complement our mango and our jackfruit. We have jackfruit there and tamarind as well in this little nursery here. So when they're hungry, like the kids are going to do now, them come to pick a mango and eat because the prices are too high. So you have to find a way. It's a 3% difference between the wholesale and the supermarket. Not that big a deal, right? But in the grand scheme of things, if you spend $1 million a year by shopping at the supermarket, you could have spent $30,000 less thereabout with a 3% difference. You would have spent $970,000 at the wholesale. Not a bigger difference, but it is a difference. How are the other ways you can cut down? What do you consider even Price Smart? Is Price Smart a supermarket or is it a wholesale? It's nice and comfy and big, but the things that are there are really in bulk. So it's, to me, a wholesale. But you have to get wise in terms of how you're spending money because the prices are going up and they're not very often coming down. So drop in the comments your tips about how we can all cut back, save more, and survive in times like this. Yeah, baby? You have got a coat? You showing everybody a coat? How you got this coat?
I fell down.
You fell down, right? Yes, you tripped on Leila's leg. Eden and Eva, say hi neighbors.
Hi.
Edie, say hi.
Hi.
No, go back and put on your shoes. Go back and put on your shoes. Leila and Zahra are going to help them to find the shoes, please. When you come back, you get mango, okay?
Okay.
Go. Yes, mango. Put on your shoes. So Leila, you're going to share with Edie
See the mango?
Yes, you're going to share the mango with. She's going to share the mango with Edie. We're under the weather. Many of us are under the weather. Either runny nose or some coughing. Yes. And Zaza, you're going to share with Ava, okay?
I don't want to share.
You don't want to share?
No.
You don't love Ava? Do you love Ava? So you should share with her. Do you love Ava? Do you love Zaza? Ava? Do you love Zaza? Leila, do you love Edie?
Yes.
So are you going to share?
Yes.
Okay. You're going to share Zaza? Okay. So I think I see one mango here already. So Leila and Zahra can get this mango. And where's the other one? Oh, it's the other one here. Eden and Ava can get this one. So this is for Leila and Eden, Zahra and Ava. What happened?
She picked me on the head.
Hush, hush, hush. So this is for you, you're in charge. Okay? I'm going to wash it for you soon. Hold on to it, okay? Yeah, what you said, baby?
Is it heavy?
Yes, I'm going to get yours now. See your own up there. Forget the stick.
This is the
Alright,
apple
Zaza.
one.
Zaza, hold this for me, okay? And point it at me, alright? Can you see me?
Yes.
Alright, keep it pointed at me, okay? Make sure you can see me. You can see me still?
Yes.
Alright. You can see me picking the mango?
No.
You can see, look at me. Point it on me. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Alright.
That. You don't want to
Alright,
keep
good job, baby.
I saw the car.
You saw the car?
Yes.
Alright, Zahra was filming a while ago. I don't know how much she got actually. But this is their mango, so this is for you, ma'am. Alright, so now we're going to wash and
I
eat
have a bigger mango.
after I give you guys some bibs. So Leila, the lights when you signed out. Neighbors, have a good
My
week.
light up shoes.
Neighbors, have a good week. Make sure you spend wisely. Save some money. Do some backyard farming. Whatever you have to do, but we'll survive and God is still our provider always. So Leila, sign out. Say, see you next time.
See you next time.
And big up
And big up
from me and my house.
from me and my house.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Edie.
Bye. The rest of us will say bye.
Neighbors, have a great week. Take care.